Welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we learn how to rename the keys of a JavaScript object using a mapping provided as the input. This is a common task when we're working with APIs, data transformation, or adjusting an object structure to match a specific format. Let's explore how to implement the solution step by step. The problem is to rename specific keys in an object based on a given mapping, while keeping the remaining keys unchanged. For example, if the input object is name is Bob, job is programmer, shoe size is 100, and the key map is name, first name, job, actor, the output should be first name, Bobo, actor, programmer, shoe size 100. This is particularly useful when transforming data structures for compatibility with other systems or APIs. Here's the code to rename keys in an object. We use the Object.keys method to get all the keys in an input object. The reduce function helps us construct a new object, and for each key, we check if there is a mapping in keys map. If so, we rename the key, otherwise we keep the original key. The spread operator is used to merge key value pairs into the new object. This approach is concise, efficient, and ensures all keys are processed correctly. Let's break down the code. First, we extract all the keys of the input object. We then iterate through each key using the reduce method. For each key, we check if it exists in the keys map. If a mapping exists, we rename the key, otherwise we retain the original key. Finally, we construct a new object containing all the updated keys and their corresponding values. Here's an example to demonstrate the program. The input object is name is Bobo, job is programmer, shoe size is 100, and the key map is name is first name, job is actor. After processing, the output is first name Bobo, actor programmer, shoe size 100. Notice how only the keys specified in the key map are renamed, while the remaining keys are unchanged. This program has several practical applications. Data transformation, to rename keys to match the requirements of an API or external system. Localization, to replace key names with language-specific labels for internationalization. Data migration, to map field names when transferring data between different database schemas. Data cleaning, to standardize key names in datasets with inconsistent name conventions. These use cases demonstrate the importance of having a flexible solution for renaming object keys. In summary, we've learned how to rename object keys in JavaScript using a provided mapping. This solution uses the object keys and the reduce method to efficiently iterate over keys and replace them based on the mapping. It is a versatile technique that can be applied to many real-world scenarios, from API integrations to data cleaning. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.